Alright, here been off once again lab 1 microcontrollers. This time it's got my push button in the circuit. Press the button, the lights come on for 3.5 seconds, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started here. I gotta press it, the lights on for 3.5 seconds, and it goes off. All right. Basically the circuit is constructed basically the same way. I got this line here, which is the input line. It's saying the signal once the push button is pressed, sending the signal back to the microcontroller to tell pin 13 to light up for 3.5 seconds, and it's seeing powers from 13 down to the resistor right here, which that voltage and current goes through these lights here and come on. And that concludes this video.